Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to freeze the header rows for a better data analysis purpose. So let's get started. We can freeze the header rows by two different ways. One is simply by the function freeze panel, which you can see in the view tab. If you go to the view tab here, you can see a freeze panel here. When you click on this, you can freeze the panel, freeze the top row, freeze the first column, and so on. So here I'm going to freeze the top row. So you can see the first row is already freezed, and when you scroll down it is not going to change and it keeps the same property until the end of the Excel. So this is one of the option wherein you can freeze the top column. Now the second way is to freeze the row by creating a table. I'll show you how. First I'm going to unfreeze the top row. Then I'm going to select the entire data. I will be coming to home. Then you can see in style section I have an option called format as table. So I have a multiple options over here. You can select whichever style you want. So I'm going to select this option. Then since I already have a header, I am going to check my table as a header. Click OK. Now you can see I have a table created. You will see the difference when I scroll down my data. You can see my first row is going up over here and it changes in the bar, and this became my header, and whenever you go down you can see the same header is being followed until the end. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.